welcome to Donna's Key Home Improvement Tips of the Month. I'm with Mike Walski here with Assured Home Inspections, and he's going to tell us why it's so important to change an air filter on a furnace. Hey Mike, so what do we have here?
Alright, so we have a forced air furnace and air conditioning system that has a return filter in the back of the system. This is one of the most important things a homeowner can do to keep their system running clean and running efficiently.
And not let all the gook go through the house and through the system itself.
Exactly. So the one in right now, as I pull it out, has not been replaced in appears to be years. So you can see all the dust and dirt that is getting collected in here, which is now preventing the system from running efficiently.
Yeah.
So the easiest way is every 90 days to get a new filter.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that's the best thing you could do to keep the system running effectively, especially if you have allergies and just for dirt through the house.
Yeah.
So remember to change your filter, folks.